7 steps for creating an infographic. Step number 1, select an engaging topic. Think of infographics as visual essays. Successful infographics have the same basic components of an essay: a thesis statement, examples, textual support, and elaboration. Select an engaging topic and use your knowledge of the writing process to complete the following steps. Step number 2, determine purpose and structure. Another reason infographics are like essays is that they have multiple purposes and structures. First, ask yourself, what is the purpose of my infographic? What specifically am I trying to communicate? Then, write a thesis statement to clarify your goal and to keep you on track. This will help you with the title of your infographic. Next, ask yourself what structure best fits my topic. Is it cause and effect, compare and contrast, narrative, argument? Infographics cover all the writing structures. Find yours before moving on to step 3. Step number 3, gather the data. This is perhaps the most important step to creating an effective infographic. An infographic with weak data will collapse on itself. Like essays, infographics will lose all credibility if the sources are not legit. So make sure you have solid, credible evidence and sources to support your thesis. Find more information than you actually need. More information will help you during the next step in this process. Step number 4, organize the data. With infographics, less is more. Do not overwhelm viewers with too much information. Instead, narrow the data down by creating a hierarchy. Place the strongest piece of data at the top, then the second strongest, the third, and so on. When you create the infographic, this will help you quickly and efficiently delete non-essential information. Step number 5, plan and play. After you organize the data, find an infographic program. The web is full of them. Select a program with ready-to-use templates such as Piktochart, Powtoon, Infogram, or Venngage. Then find a template that matches the structure you decided on in step number 2. For example, for a narrative, try a timeline structure. Or for a compare and contrast, try a left and right split screen. It's that easy. Just think about how to visually show the topic's relationships and sketch out your infographic on a blank sheet of paper. Once your plan is sketched, begin playing with the program. The best way to learn any new program is by doing, so jump in and get your feet wet. Step number 6, create and evaluate. It's time to create your infographic, so take your time. Compare your infographic to exemplar pieces as you work. Make sure your information is short, clear, and direct. Avoid large chunks of text and keep it clean and professional. When you finish, evaluate your infographic. Think of it as a writer's workshop. Check for minor errors such as spelling and grammar, but also check for larger issues such as clarity, content, style, and effectiveness. Infographics need to be informative, clear, accurate, accessible, and interesting. Step number 7, publish. Once your infographic is complete and free of errors, publish it, present it, and be proud of it.
Created using Powtoon.